Welcome back. You're watching NewsX. We start with the top story. Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has awarded life sentence to Sajjan Kumar in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. He was convicted in a case related to the killing of a father-son duo in the Saraswati Vihar area on the 1st of November 1984. Former Congress Member of Parliament Sajjan Kumar was convicted on the 12th of February under sections related to rioting, unlawful assembly and murder. Meanwhile, members of the Sikh community have protested outside the Rouse Avenue Court, demanding a death penalty for the 1984 anti-Sikh riots accused Sajjan Kumar, is what we're learning. Sambhav, my colleague, is joining us at this point in time to talk more about this. Sambhav, if you can hear me.
By today and with the judgment.
You see, in the judgment, the Judge Sahab has written in the judgment as well as the demand of the state that he should be given death sentence because it's the rare of the rarest cases, and that we also argued that it is part of the bigger genocide. And so Judge Sahab, as far as that part is concerned, agreed with us that it is rare of the rare cases. But in the judgment it is mentioned that there are mitigating circumstances.
Okay.
When
In this Saraswati Vihar.
As far as the in sentencing, it is seen that about the person. So the report from the jail was called. The report just mentioned in the judgment, the report from the jail shows that he is 80 years of age and he is suffering from multiple ailments. And he
is already in a life sentence
he
in one of the cases.
Already undergoing life sentence since last 6 years. And his health has materially deteriorated. That's what the judgment says. And so he cannot even look after himself. He even need help to go to the washroom also. Okay. And so therefore, due to these reasons, under the law, the death sentence cannot be given. This is mentioned in the judgment. So the next highest sentence which can be given is the life imprisonment. So the 2 life imprisonments have been given to him today.
And both in the Saraswati Vihar case, where
both in the same case. Okay. In the same case, what offences are different.
Now, what you are going to do? I mean, are you going to challenge it in the High Court, or what's the course of action you are going to do?
If the wife and the daughter of the deceased, just one thing, if they want us to go to the High Court, we will definitely go to the High Court, demanding for enhancement of sentence from life imprisonment to death sentence.
Okay, you can go to the High Court and demand.
Can go for enhancement of the sentence because they will file appeal against conviction.
Obviously.
They will file appeal. And in that appeal, when the accused go for appeal against conviction, in that appeal we can also ask and we can also file our appeal for enhancement of the sentence. So it is the deceased wife and daughter who have a right to go. So if they go to the High Court, we'll definitely.
You have been the lawyer of Sikh community for long in this matter. So you would be aware of the timeline by what time they could go to the High Court. I mean,
no, this is 90 days time. 90 days time that now we'll find out from the victims, from his wife and daughter, if they want to go to the High Court.
This order could be challenged in coming 90 days in the High Court.
This the sentencing. You see, they will challenge conviction.
Conviction, okay.
And if we challenge, we will challenge the today's order, sentencing. They will challenge 12th February order of convicting him. The accused will challenge that. If we go to the court, we will challenge this today, 25th February order of sentencing.
Absolutely, Fulka sir. Everything is now crystal clear about the case. So this was Advocate H.S. Fulka who clarified everything regarding this case. The case happened on 1st of November 1984, where sentencing of convict Sajjan Kumar happened today in the Rouse Avenue Court, and he is sentenced life imprisonment in the killing of father-son duo in Saraswati Vihar on 1st of November 1984. This is the latest, this is the breaking, and we are reporting it from outside the Rouse Avenue Court. It is to be seen when this conviction is challenged in the High Court, or on the other hand, Advocate H.S. Fulka could move to the High Court challenging this life imprisonment and could demand this death penalty in this whole matter, 1984 anti-Sikh riots matter.
Right, Sambhav, of course, there's an important point that was highlighted that, this in many ways was a peculiar event, but, going by what we have seen in terms of the rarest of rare crime, this does not fit.
Well, court accepted that this is rarest of the rare case. However, having said that, looking at the condition in which Sajjan Kumar is, his ailments and his health, deteriorating health, he is over 80 years of age. Keeping all these factors in mind, death penalty has been converted to the life imprisonment in this Saraswati Vihar matter. And also, he is already undergoing a life imprisonment in another matter connecting to this 1984 anti-Sikh riots, where Delhi High Court had convicted him in that matter, and he's already undergoing the life imprisonment. Now, what is to be seen is when both prosecution and the other party would approach the Delhi High Court, as H.S. Fulka is saying to us that they could challenge this order in the High Court in next 90 days.